This tutorial is going to cover how to create an event using the mobile view of 25 Live. Once you sign in and enter the 25 Live mobile view website, you will have the options to search by events, locations, resources, and organizations. In the search bar, I'm going to give you an example of searching for an event. I know I have an orientation coming up, but I can't remember where it is. So if it's in 25 Live, I simply type in orientation and all the events that have orientation in the title come up so I can remember which one I need to attend. I'm going to go ahead and search for an event by location. The first thing I'm going to do is enter the location name, Miguel 216. Once you enter Miguel 216, you can click on the room, but before you do, say you're reserving a room and you know that you have 50 people who are attending. Right away, you know that this room may not be the room for you because it only holds 30 people. But if you only have 20 people attending and this will work for you, simply click on the room number and then keep in mind you must make a reservation in 25 Live 2 days in advance of the date you need the room. So I'm going to book a room for January 5th at 3 p.m. You have permission to request this location for your event, but a scheduler must approve it before it's assigned to you. Do you want to request Miguel 216? So you will go ahead and request this location, and you will put in your event name. I'm doing an ITS training, so I'm just going to type that in, and I'm going to type in again, ITS training. The event type, there is a whole bunch of different event types that you may select. Again, I'm going to say this is a training workshop. You can enter in your organization if you work for the registrar, if you work for admissions. I work for ITS, so I'm going to enter in ITS, Information Technology Services. And I know that I'm going to have 20 people attending my event, so I'm going to write that down. Now, when you go to write the event description, you have to hit B for bold in order for yourself to be allowed to type something in. It's a bit of a glitch in the system. So I'm just writing an event description. I can write, please bring your laptop, something like that. The date and time are already selected because I selected the location, the date, and the time. It's a 1-hour event. I don't need any additional time before the event is set up or time after the event to break down. The event does not repeat. Here under location, I see that the attendees I put in are fine. Like I said, I didn't enter in 50 people, so that fine. The room is available. This check mark lets you know there are no conflicts. Another great feature of 25 Live is you may enter in resources. For example, if you would like a laptop, you would simply type in laptop, and you know that Miguel is located on main campus, so you can go ahead and request a laptop directly from 25 Live from the main campus. Also, if you have other custom attributes, for example, if you need campus housing for an event, if there is someone who needs to be an on-site contact for an event, you would enter it here. You're listed right here as the scheduler and the requester. And if you wish to add this event to a web calendar, you can just go ahead and click on which place you would like your event to be featured. That comes up right there. The comments section is a perfect place to type in any specific instructions regarding your event, any confirmation notes, and what's going to happen is you can come over here and look on the left and make sure all the information is correct. You have the number of attendees, the location, the date, the time, you've requested resources, you are the scheduler and the requester. And then if everything looks okay, you will hit save. You will see that you will get a confirmation that approves your request. And you'll also get an email letting you know that the location has been requested, and it's simply pending approval. Once the room approver approves the room, you'll get another email letting you know that your room request has been approved. And that's how to use a 25 Live mobile view to reserve a room.